Canon Pixma B502 error. As you can see, B502 error in this printer. This method will work with all Pixma models, but this is right now I have, as you can see, Pixma 494. So how to resolve this issue quickly and easily? The first thing, you need a paper. Okay, so after that you need to turn off, just power it off, and then you need to press this stop button, and then press this button together, and then just release the power this stop button, and then press 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then release power button, and it will start blinking. That means our printer is in service mode, and it will clean whatever the requirements are. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel. When this like will be stable, that means your printer is fine now. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.